Tech has changed. It is no longer how it used to be, where you have to spend a lot of money for you to acquire some skill set. Now, without spending $1, you can actually learn technical skills that will help you to make money. In this video, I'm gonna share some free platforms online that you can use to acquire skills and land your first tech job. So watch this video to the end, because what I'm going to share in this video will help you to gather the skills, work on your skill set, and also land your first tech job. The first platform that you can use, it is free and it has so many courses, related tech. It's called Coursera. Coursera is an online platform which delivers free training and also paid one. So if you don't have the means to subscribe for a paid course, you can train yourself with free courses. That does not mean that the free ones are not quality. They are quality, and they will give you the best skill set that you need as a beginner. The second online platform that you can use is a free code camp. This is also an online which offers free training in IT related field: software, networking, cyber security, data analytics, data science, and stuff. So please, don't stress yourself. Just go to Google, just type free code camp. You get the result. You click on the link, you go on the platform. You can look for any course that you want to learn. It's timeless. There's no time frame set whereby you need to complete this within this period of time. So you can be using the courses according to your availability. If you can only have 2 days a week to work on the courses, just be quiet, focus and work on the courses. The third free platform is LinkedIn. So LinkedIn, apart from connecting professionals together, it also has a training part where you can learn courses. It also offers so many courses: cyber security, programming, networking. The last one, which is the most popular, but people also neglect it, is YouTube. YouTube is the most popular, and like you say, it is a free university, because when you go on YouTube, you get any type of content you want related to what you have to learn. It's now up to you to distinguish which content is best, which one is not best, which one delivers the detailed information, which one does not deliver the detailed information. And you go for the videos or for the channels that deliver the detailed information, because as a beginner, you want concept to be broken down as lower as possible for you to understand. Because when it comes to intermediate or professional level, when it comes to advanced level, you're already familiar with a lot of concepts. So even if the explanations are not that clear, you understand, because they are concepts we assume that and stuff. So YouTube is a free platform that can help you to build your tech skills and make sure to build strong skill set. It's not just about tech. You can also find out channels that will help you to build soft skills, because the soft skills are also very important when it comes to professional career, tech interview and stuff. So as you are building your technical skills, you also make sure you work on the soft skills. During the interview, some of the questions will pop up related soft skills, so you need to be ready for you to answer and then pass the interview. So guys, these are some of the free online platform I wanted to share with you. If you are a beginner, please don't postpone this. It is time for you to start your tech journey. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next video.